Is a blood test a good way to know if you're low on minerals?
For many of the electrolytes and the minerals, just getting your blood checked at the doctor's office is not a good way to know if you are partially or severely depleted. Now, if your levels get low enough, it will show up as a low level in your blood. But long before that happens, in which case you'd be really, really sick. Long before that happens, a lot of these minerals, many of them are stored in your bone, right? Your bones store many of these minerals. That's how your body kind of warehouses the minerals for when they're needed. But the body keeps your serum levels in your blood in a very tight range. And so it will immediately pull that mineral that it needs from your bones anytime it needs it. And so you may have a normal blood level of one of these elements, one of these minerals, but be severely depleted in your bone. And you may not know that if you just check blood work. And that may not matter until you come upon some stressful period in your life, either physical stress, psychological, emotional, spiritual. And then all of a sudden, when you've really depleted your bones of that mineral, there's no more storehouses. And that's when the deficiency really starts to rear its uncomfortable head.